In this video, I'm going to teach you the simplest methods or simplest tricks for calculating the square root of any number without using a calculator. So you can use to calculate the square root of a perfect square or non-perfect square number without any challenge. So these methods are very helpful, especially during the exams where you're required to use no calculator. And I hope you're going to enjoy it. So let's look at the general form and some of the examples that we may have. So if you have got the square root of x is approximately equal to x plus y over 2 times the square root of y. So this is the formula. So it's the formula that you have to use. So where y is equal to, so the y is the closest perfect square. So you have to find the closest perfect square to x, that is y. So y is the closest perfect square. Okay. So that is the formula that you have to use. You should keep that formula in mind. This is one of the simplest ways that you can use to calculate the square root of any value. So now let's take a look at some of the examples. So our examples. So what is the square root of 23? So the square root of 23 is approximately equal to 23 plus, what is the closest perfect square is 25 over 2 times the square root of 25. Okay, so the closest perfect square of 23 is 25. So this is our y. So 23 plus 25 is equal to, that is 48 over 25 is square root of 25 is 5 times 2, 10. That is approximately equal to 4.8. So 4.8, that's the square root of 23. That's the approximate square root of 23. So when you do that, you are done. So this method can assist you during the exam. You don't have to use the calculator always. Just have to use that method and you find the square root of any value, any number. So let's look at the question at example 2. So find the square root of 50. So the square root of 50 is approximately equal to 50 plus the closest perfect square. So, okay. Well, we have got 49. So 49 is much closer to 50 than 64, right? Okay, so 49 is our closest perfect square. So over 2 times the square root of 49. So this is approximately equal to, or simply means just equal to 99 over square root of 49 is 7 times 2 is 14. So 99 divided by 14 is approximately equal to 7.071. Okay, so just that. So that is up 7.071. So that's our answer. So that is the square root of 50, the approximate value. Okay, so the most important is that part. So when you find y, then you are safe. Yeah, okay. You have to find y, the number which is closest, I mean the perfect square which is closest to the given is square. So our question 3 or example 3, let us find the square root of 15. So it's going to be equal to or approximately equal to 15 plus 16 is close to 15, so plus 16 over 2 times the square root of 16. So this is equal to or approximately equal to 15 plus 16, that is 31, over square root of 16 is 4 times 2, 8, which is approximately equal to 31 divided by 8 is 3.9. So that is our value. So that is the approximate value or approximate square root of 15.